try and sort your sound issues out, your wind sound issues out with your helmet. I'll do this helmet version first. Basically, this isn't a sponge small roller, but you need one of those. Cut the tip off it, and this is your microphone. Well, it isn't, just pretend that's your microphone. Leave the end of your microphone on, place the sponge over it, and then glue the sponge roller onto it. So I'll show you in the helmet now what I do. So this is the first helmet, all different designs. This is for backing if you don't want to talk much and you just want sound off the bike. I put my, sorry about this, I tuck my microphone in there. It goes in there at the back of your head. Sponge on there, same thing, goes in there, tucks in there, and you'll get sound of the back. If you don't, you can hear yourself talking as well, but not as loud. Right, that's the first one. If you don't talk much, you just want the bike noise of the exhaust, tuck your microphone in there. Right, if you like talking a lot on vlogs, right, I hope this will pick up now for you. Gotta find it first. Where's the sun on it? Right, the sun's on there. Can you see in there where the white sponge is sticking out? I tuck that in the cheek pad. It's got to be tucked in the cheek pad there, and it's just below the, I just hope you can see that, microphone facing forward. That's how I do my helmet vlogging. This is a different setup on my motocross helmet. Same principle with the sponge. You can see this better in here. This works well. That's a ball of sponge on top of your microphone. That works very well. And you can talk and listen to the engine as well. So that works real good. You can picture that in there. It doesn't get in the way of you talking because it's a motocross helmet. It's just enough room. So that goes in like that. So you can see the size of it. So that's you can't see it in the helmet when you got it on. It's very discreet. I use drift cameras. Plug in there, this goes in there, real simple fit. All on the side of the helmet. So that's a tip for you. But use your microphone with a little black little sponge on, then put the sponge of a foam small roller on top and glue it onto there, and you will sort your wind problem out if you haven't got a dead cat. And the bikes, I'll do another video now, part 2 of this audio for bike sounds. If you're interested, that will come up. So look after yourself, and we will find some videos to put on, different stuff. Happy barracks confinement. See you again.